Hey Kenyon, this is Scott Walker. We spoke on Facebook yesterday, and just trying to get this video for you today. Wanted to go over some SEO things for you and your website, and kind of see what you're looking for here. I'm not too particularly familiar with your particular industry, but at the same time, I usually talk to you and figure out a few more things that I could look at to see if SEO is really the way to go. So. Looking at your website right here, I do like all the pictures. That's really awesome. Good gallery for you. But one thing that Google wants to see more of is content. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And to me, that usually means a service and also a location. And so, like, for example, if you're looking for a TV mount in Lehigh or a home theater installation, those are the types of keywords, and then have like Lehigh or Provo or Orem or anywhere near you that you work. Those are considered buyer intent in my mind, especially for Google and search algorithms. The other thing you can do is to save your alt images correctly. And instead of it saying, let me know if you have any questions, that could be like TV mount Lehigh or home theater installation or and that counts as content as well. And I do have this right here. You're doing okay for the amount of words on here. There's a few meta description problems, but usually you want anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, so you're doing almost good. The other thing that I look at, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This gives me your analytics and kind of shows me where you're setting. The website domain rating and URL rating are usually on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. You're currently at 0 because of your referring pages and referring domains. And if you don't know what those are, they're backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay within your industry and location whenever possible to get good authoritative backlinks. And it looks like you're being indexed for 3 keywords and you're getting 3 people to your website each and every month. With it being that low, your website's acting more like a digital business card. But let's look ahead and see what kind of keywords that you're being found for. So we got K2 Home Solutions, which is your name. You should be number 1 for that, but at the same time, that's okay. And Ultimate Home Solutions, apparently you lost it recently, which is fine. That happens a lot with Google. But like I said, you want to be indexing your keywords that are buyer intent. So TV mounting Lehigh, that would be a good keyword to have on here if there's a lot of searches for it. So just to kind of show you what a typical TV mounting Lehigh, usually get your Google guarantees and local ads. For you, I don't think there's a Google guaranteed, but you do have some local ads going on here depending on the company you're running. If that's something you're looking for, that's a great place to start, and because they generate leads quickly. And it does look like you are being ranked right here on the top of the map pack, so that's awesome. Great doing that. If you keep doing what you're doing and add other keywords, so you have home cinema installation, so that might be something I need to look into later. But you always want to keep your name, address, and phone number the exact same all over the internet so you don't mislead Google. Getting reviews whenever possible, you do a pretty good job. And then making sure that you're posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then we do move down into the organics, and this is where your website would be ranking for search engine optimization. So there's kind of 3 spots. You got the ads, the Google Business Profile, and then also the organic websites. And if we look at their website right here, this is a back page instead of their home page. They don't have a lot of content on here. So when you have more content, better authoritative backlinks and citations, you will start to outrank your competitors. And I did a quick search, and like I said, I didn't do too much research into it. There's not a lot of searching for TV mounting, and I did Provo, Lehigh, and Orem. There's a total of 20 searches a month. But what happens is when you start outranking your competitors for these keywords, you'll start showing up on the top of the page instead of them. And so a percentage of volumes that are being searched will start to go to your website instead of your competitors. And a percentage of people going to your website will either form submit or give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So I hope I answered your questions and proved that I am an SEO expert, or at least I know enough. Um, I look forward to talking to you. I'll get this over to you today, and I'll give you a call tomorrow if I don't hear from you. Thanks, Kenyon. Have a great day.